when we have choice overloads. I schooled in FGC Warri. They used to have these old student association meetings in Lagos. So I would travel from Ogbomoso when I was still a student to Lagos to go and be part of the event. Every time is always a buffet, serve yourself or point to what you want to eat. So you have an array of foods. One day I allowed greed to take over my mind because the array of foods was amazing. So I was telling the person, put this. By the time I took my plate to the table, the plate was overflowing, and then I took some drinks as well. I ate. Then that night I got to where I was staying. Then they had already made food for me. It was on the dining table, and I could not say no because the wife went to prepare it intentionally for me, and it was beans. So I ate that one as well. And then I was traveling from Lagos to Ibadan the next morning. It was God that saved me. I had to tell the boss to stop. That day taught me a lesson. That the fact that you have many options does not mean you have to try everything at the same time. Take it one piece at a time. Time is not meant to be your enemy. Time is meant to be your friend.